Hi guys, I hope you all are great. Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today in my tutorial, I will show you guys how I created this boho wall hanging. So without further ado, let's begin. For this, I have taken bangles and pieces of lace. So what I'm doing here is I'm attaching the lace piece to the bangle with the help of needle and thread. You can also use a hot glue gun to do so. So I had created a video where I transformed my old top into a table runner. You have seen such pieces in that video, and these are the pieces which were remaining after creating the table runner. If you haven't seen, please check the video. I will share the link in the description box below. So these pieces from my old top are really special, so I'm using it for another decor item. Alright, so I have made 4 such pieces. And the next step is to make tassels. For that, I'm taking yarn and a notebook. I will start wrapping the yarn around the notebook. I have wrapped about 40 to 45 times. I will tie knots to secure. Wrap it, secure it. Now just cut the ends and your tassel is ready. So next we will take a branch and start placing the pieces as desired. Once you're happy with the placement, start attaching the pieces with the help of yarn to the branch. So guys, I'm getting beautiful comments about my videos. Thank you so much for those amazing comments. It really motivates me a lot. I'm looking forward for more feedbacks. Definitely let me know if you have any request for any kind of DIY, decor, hairstyle or makeup videos. I will try my best to create them. Thank you so much once again for those beautiful comments. So coming back to the tutorial, I'm attaching the strings to the branch. I have made few more tassels of a little smaller size and attached them as well. I will show you. I really love this decor item because this is so much in fashion nowadays, and I love it. So this is the finished look. Let me know how you liked it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Also, if you liked the video, please take a moment, share and comment. Alright, my beautiful viewers, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Take care of yourselves, stay safe, and bye.